So you've learned the chords, you've started strumming, but your playing still feels stiff, awkward, and very robotic. The chords are not the problem. It's your right hand, and most beginners never fix it, and that's why today we're going to tackle this head on. You're going to learn the most common strumming pattern ever used, the one that shows up in thousands of songs, and I'm going to give you a few simple hacks that will transform your stiff strumming into a real musical groove. And the good part about this is just with 7 days of focused practice, you're going to start to feel the difference. So if you're ready to fix that robotic strumming once and for all, let's grab our guitars, let's dive in. So most players mean well, they learn a few chords, they start strumming, but they quickly fall into the trap of mindlessly going up and down, just trying to survive until the next chord change. But this creates rhythmic confusion. No groove, no flow. It feels like you're playing, but it's really not music yet. Therefore, to fix this, we need to give your strumming some structure. And that starts with learning the most common pattern that you're going to hear on the acoustic guitar, the down, down, up, down, up pattern. But here's the part that most players miss. After beat 2, you don't strum on beat 3. I call that skip strumming. Your hand keeps moving, but you leave space by skipping the up strum. So therefore, to make this click, I recommend you say the word skip out loud when you play it. That little space is what makes the rhythm breathe and gives your strumming a cool groove. Let's practice this together after 4. I'm going to hold down a G chord, and I'm using the two-fingered version 3 and 4 for this. We're going to count and play together after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, skip, up, down, 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 up, skip, up, down, down, up, skip, up, down, up. Now I want you to be really careful here because a lot of students, when they get to that skip, they freeze and their hand freezes up. It might feel awkward at first, but if you stick with it 10 minutes a day, in about 7 days, you're really going to start to feel a difference. But even when players get the pattern and the space right, their strumming can still sound stiff and robotic. Why? That's because they're missing one more crucial piece. To bring your rhythm to life, we need to add dynamics, and the simplest way to do that is by adding accents. Now, in case you're unfamiliar, the word accent just means strumming certain beats louder than others, which creates a contrast and makes your playing feel alive. Now for this pattern, the accents are going to be on beats 2 and 4. And for that, I just want you to push into your strum a little bit harder on beats 2 and 4 to make them pop and give us that accent. Let me demonstrate this so you can hear what I'm talking about. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And so you can see how I'm hitting beats 2 and 4 heavier than the other strums. All right, we're still holding down this G chord. Let's try this together after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, and skip, and 4, and 1, 2, and skip, and 4, and 1, 2, and skip, and 4, and one more time. So you can hear how when you accent on the second and the fourth beat by adding that skip, that's when you really have a groove to your playing, and it makes all the difference in the world. So knowing that pattern is great. Practicing skips and accents are essential, but if you don't apply these to real songs, it's not going to stick. Therefore, to make this practical, I put together a PDF of 8 songs that I feel are perfect for practicing this groove. Yes, every one of these songs uses the exact same strum pattern that you learned today. You can download it, the link's in the description. Here's the list of all the songs. And this is how you take your playing from stiff and mechanical to smooth and musical. Now, it's just a matter of putting in those 10-minute practice sessions every day to make it click. But if switching chord, especially to G, keeps throwing off your rhythm, make sure you check out this video right up here on the G chord trick. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Have a great day.